We have 10 different sections of LED screens that help us to tell the story in the studio. First section is the long wall. It's a 13 meters LED wall. Half of it is made of 8 different LED walls we call the tiles, which is physically moving. These walls are triggered through the GPI card coming from the wall engine, and they can create 8 different screens, or you can play with other presets. Next section is the pillar. It's a long LED wall going from the section on floor 1 going up to floor 2. It's always behind the host. And then we have the big square screens, which is 2 LED screens, 3.5 square meters each, which also moves and can create one big screen. The other one is on the balcony, 4 65-inch LED screens. And we have the pillars, 3 tickers, which is inside the glass of the studio. All of these screens are 4x4K, which is connected to the multiplay engine.
No doubt that the project at Channel 13 News was one of the challenging ones. Not alone, the customer wished to implement a comprehensive and a completely new workflow, starting in the newsroom, engaging journalists, weathermen, editing suites, etc., going all the way down to the gallery, where they implemented a completely new honor graphic system, AR system, and a controlling system for their video wall. Everything being powered by VizRT.
We're using a TrackMan system for the AR tracking, which is connected to the Jib. In our election, we use most of the AR from the Jib. Most of our election graphic were in the augmented reality that used the entire space of the studio. Using NLE was a big improvement to our workflow. Using one big system is very helpful. Everything we create on the Pilot Edge is there, and you can just put it from the studio in the director or the multiplay. All is connected into the iNews. Everything is very organized. When we drag it into one item, we know the operator in the other side knows exactly when to put it on the rundown.
I am the main programmer for the Viz system in our news company, 13 News Israel. I build forms and JavaScript scripts for HTML forms that our editors use, because Hebrew is different than English in the way we write and the way we design things, and also the news in Israel has a very special structure than other countries. Then we had to make the forms and the template very unique to Israel. Viz Pilot Edge made it easier for me to design a form that would be more functional to our editors, more comprehensive to whoever sees it. HTML gives me speed and functionality.
חדשות 13 הערב.
We have installed and implemented the project during the COVID-19 outbreak, and some of the installation and the training had to be done remotely. On top of all this, the customer elected to launch the new studio on election day, which was challenging enough. I must say, with the people at VizRT and the technology at VizRT, really were able to pull it along.